ni atafanya hivyo. 2 minutes. 2 minutes town iwe na maji.
Gavana wa Murang'a Mwangi Wa Iria hota gwikora haceke thutha wa kwaga guikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya seneti igii migunda gutariria githagathago kiria gikoretwo kigomeire ruhonge rwa mai kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. O ne thutha wa maseneta guthingereria Spika Ken Lusaka athane Wa Iria hurio tangi mahiu mwe kwemwe nginyagia giikaro-ini kia bunge yo.
It is true that we invited Governor Wa Iria to come to the Committee of Lands, Environment and Natural Resources to answer on water supplies in Murang'a, because there was crisis of water supply in Murang'a.
Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa igii bungeo Kipchumba Murkomen maseneta maugite itua ria Wa Iria ni kinyararo kuri bungeo na hari na fatata acukirio ikinya magavana angi matana mutukia kwagira kiene bunge ya Senate.
The governor of Murang'a was brought here on impeachment, and we had his case with grueling evidence of serial corruption, and he escaped under very dubious circumstances.
Let me say that the authority of this house is being tested. We need to stand up as a Senate and demand that the governor for Murang'a must attend to the business or adhere to the summons of this honorable house.
Matuko ya mama seneta mathunguya nire thutha wa kuhithuka ati munene wa borithi Joseph Boinet ndangeikia Wa Iria ngono atari na watho wa igoti.
Directions must be given. A direction from your seat is important because that misconception and misapprehension of the law, where the Senate of this republic is supposed to go to a court to get an order, can only lead to one thing, that we are subject to the court.
Boinet onake ndanoherwo ni maseneta aya makiugani na ukuderu wa umenyo wa watho na ruagirirwe kemitukie gutigirira Wa Iria ni ikiongono na ihenya uria kwahoteka hatari kuinithia bungeo gicande.
We oversight the functioning and the work of the Inspector General. If we can look at such and the Senate approves the Inspector General, if you can consider what we're saying with so much disdain, because you can find that it's even a letter that probably somebody else just drafted for him and he signed and didn't take it seriously, it's a grave matter of concern to the Committee of National Security, Defense and Foreign Relations, and we're going to take it up in addition to your instructions, Mr. Speaker.
You know, when my good friend Senator Irungu Kangata, the senator for Murang'a, was contributing, he's generally very loud and audible and clear, but today he was whispering. That tells you how vicious his governor is. That even in the House of Parliament, his senator fears him.
Mathina ma Wa Iria maumanite na ndugamano iria koretwo kuo gatagati ga thirikari yake na urugamiro wa kambuni cia mai cia Murang'a kuria koretwo akigeria kuhagura muikariri giti wa kambuni ya Muwasco Peter Muga undu umwe na rugamiriria kambuni ingi cia mai mwena ucio.